Hello everyone! This lesson is going to discuss about the applications of total internal reflection using optical fibers in the field of medicine and communication. Optical fibers rely on total internal reflection for their operation. An optical fiber is a thin rod of high-quality glass. Light or infrared getting in at one end undergoes repeated total internal reflection and emerges at the other end. Notice that the light refracts towards the normal as it enters the optical fiber. Notice what happens when the light hits the ends of the fiber. The angle of incidence is now less than the critical angle, and the light refracts away from the normal into the air. Optical fibers work even when the fiber is bent. Look at the illustration. You may be expected to complete a diagram similar to that in an exam. This is the transmission of light in a fiber optic. Fiber optics and telecommunication. Telephone messages and other electronic signals, such as internet computer messages or cable TV signals, are passed along fine glass fibers in the form of flashing laser light, a digital signal. Each of the fibers is capable of carrying thousands of telephone calls simultaneously. Inside a fiber, light travels along by total internal reflection. It bounces along inside the fiber. Its angle of incidence is greater than the critical angle. Thus, no light is lost as it is reflected. The fiber can follow a curved path and the light bounces along inside it, following the curve. For signals to travel over long distances, the glass used must be very high purity so that it does not absorb the light. Notice the use of the fiber optic cable to connect the transmitter block to the receiver block in a communication system. Fiber optics in medicine. An endoscope is a device that can be used by doctors to see inside a patient's body. For example, to see inside the stomach. The illustration shows how the endoscope works. One bundle of fibers carries light down into the body, while another bundle carries an image back up to the user. The endoscope may also have a small probe or cutting tool built in, so that minor operations can be performed without the need. That's all for our discussion about the optical fibers. This is Teacher Rose of Woodrose International School. See you next time.